In front of me is POCO M7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings. Now click on Bluetooth over here and tap on gray switcher to activate it. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one you wish to connect to. When you see this pop-up, you can click on Allow access to your contacts and call history, or select Pair right away. Wherever you decided, just wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To disconnect them, click on this icon right next to your connected device and tap on Unpair under Rename. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!